Brush up and down.
Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing and trying out this Brite brush baby shark toothbrush for little kids. On my last video, which I will link below, I have reviewed I did an unboxing for the Elmo version, and today I'm going to brush my kids' teeth with this toothbrush to see how it works. So this is the case. Let's see if you can see the comparison. So there's some brush up and down, there's some songs, treasure hunt game, and then there's a share score, volume control. So let's open this. It actually comes with a manual, and then there's an extra toothbrush. Yellow is my youngest son's favorite color, so I got him the yellow one. So this is the actual toothbrush and the extra brush head. And here's the instruction. So after turning on your brush, press the button to choose one of the three modes. Practice, work on your brushing technique with fun sounds and lights. Go on musical, adventure, with Baby Shark and his family song, treasure hunt game, go on a swimming adventure, play it again and again with different outcomes. Each game has 4 sections. See if you can get all 10 stars. Your score is based on how well you brush and follow the instruction for changing sides. If you brush really well, you might win a bonus treasure. The Baby Shark song and treasure hunt game lasts about a minute. Played twice for approximately 2 minutes of brushing, the amount of time recommended by dentist. Remember, brushing up and down in small circles will keep the games going. Okay, so up and down. Share score. To hear the last score recorded, quickly double press the button. When your Brite brush is off, this will also activate the share score. The bottom of the brush will light up with green complete, yellow for good effort, or red for incomplete. Tips on how to brush. Avoid side-to-side sawing motion that can harm gum tissue. Always brush up and down in small circles. So up and down in small circles. Try to start with the bristles at 45-degree angle on your gum line. Brush lightly. When prompted to change sides, make sure to brush each quadrant of your teeth fully. And then the rubber neck should not be removed. This allows the device to be waterproof. And you can use the dishwasher or microwave. There you go. So this is the instruction on how to remove and attach the brush heads. I already showed you that in the previous video. So just twist, remove. And then replacing batteries, you have to use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 AAA batteries on each of the sides. So we're not going to do that, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush my kids to though before we proceed. Here's the volume control. To play the games with lower volume, your Brite brush must first be off. Press and hold the button on the side and continue holding the button until you hear low volume, then release the button. You can now brush for low volume level. So, how to exit the try me mode. When you first take the brush out of the package, it will be in try me mode. After pressing the button, you will hear an audio with the brush. You start brushing up and down during or after the audio, and you will start a brief practice session for brushing correctly. After you finish the practice session, the brush will enter a normal operation mode as described on the next page. So let's try that.
Brite brush with Baby Shark finally makes brushing fun. with music, games, vibration, and light. Brite Brush has patented sensors that know if you're brushing correctly. The better you brush, the better the gameplay. Are you ready for the smartest, most fun brush ever? Brite Brush!
So let's try the volume control. It says press and hold.
It's time to start brushing. Brush up and down.
So I just keep on holding the button.
Brite Brush with Baby Shark finally makes brushing fun. With music, games, vibration, and light, Brite Brush has patented sensors that know.
So I'm gonna...
Brite Brush with Baby Shark finally makes brushing fun. With music, games, vibration, and light, Brite Brush has patented sensors that know if you're brushing correctly. The better you brush, the better the gameplay. Are you ready for the smartest, most fun brush ever? Brite! Brite Brush with Baby Shark finally makes brushing fun. With music, games, vibration, and light, Brite Brush has patented sensors that know it. Brite Brush with Baby Shark finally makes brushing fun. With music, games, vibration, and light, Brite Brush has patented sensors that know if you're brushing correctly.
Brushing.
Brite Brush with brush up and down.
See, there's points.
That's great. Let's keep going. First, let's pop some bubbles. Brush up. 5, 10,
10.
15, 20.
We get 20 points.
25. You did it. Now change sides to get the coin.
Change the sides to get the coins.
5,
We got 5, 10, 15 now.
15, 20,
Oh, you got 20 points.
25.
20 points.
Next, change sides to get the jewels.
Jewels.
Side change bonus. 5, 10, 15,
Got 20 points.
20,
20 points.
25.
Got 25. Almost done.
Now change sides to get the pearls.
Open mouth. We got the pearls.
10, 15, 20,
Yay.
25. Great job. You did it.
Let's see if
Practice complete. Press the button to choose your game.
that's true.
Baby Shark Song.
Oh, Baby Shark
Brush up
song.
and down.
Let's brush it on.
Great job. Change sides for Mommy and Daddy Shark.
Okay.
Mommy Shark.
Uh-oh. I think almost done,
You
bud.
did it. Change sides for Grandma and Grandpa Shark.
Okay, I guess it's enough.